Hello and welcome. Today guys, I want to share with you all a recipe for curry seim and potato, or curry seim and aloo. So I'm going to show you guys how I clean this. You take one of the seim and you take your paring knife and you're just going to peel around the seam like so. You're going to discard this piece. I like cutting it into a half. Some people like opening it out like this. And that's all that you do, and you throw it into a bowl, and you're going to continue cleaning the same until you've done this for all of them. To cook the same, you're going to put up a pot on medium heat. To that pot I'm going to add in some oil. To the oil I'm going to add in a few methi or fenugreek seeds. We want those seeds to start to toast up and get dark brown while the oil is heating up. Now I'm going to add in some chopped onions and chopped pimento peppers. If you wanted to put a hot pepper in this, you can. I'm going to add in some scallions. And I'm going to saute this until the onions and scallions are tender. Once the onions start to turn a light brown color, you're going to add in the curry. And you're going to drop your heat to medium low. You just want to let this curry toast in here for about a minute. To the curry I'm going to add in some water. And you're going to cook this until it turns into a thick paste. Now that the curry has started to thicken up, I'm going to add in the seim. Make sure guys that you wash your seam really well. And if you guys wanted to use bodi instead of seam, or green beans or string beans for this recipe, you can. And I'm also adding in a few potatoes that I chopped up pretty big. The potatoes will start to break down while this is cooking, so you don't want to cut it up too small, because then you wouldn't see any pieces of potato. Going to add in some green seasoning to this and salt to taste. You'll always adjust the salt when it's finished cooking. Now all you do is toss to coat this in the curry, and on medium heat you're going to cover this and you're going to allow it to cook. Now I'm not adding a lot of water to help this cook. I'm going to allow the steam that's in there to fall back into the pot, and it's going to help this cook. So we're going to get more of a dry seim and potato. If you wanted this very saucy or to serve with rice, then I recommend you add some water to this so that you can get that sauce going. While the seim is cooking, you want to go in ever so often, and you want to make sure that that steam from the cover drops into the pot, because as I said, that's what's going to help this cook. And you're going to give the seim a turn and cover it again and let it keep cooking until the seam is tender and the potatoes are tender. So guys, this is finished. You see how it's thick? It's not saucy. I'm going to be serving this with sada roti. I'm just going to give this a taste and see if it has enough salt. Adjust the salt accordingly, and then this is ready to be served. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for seim and aloo. I just wanted to tell you all, if you wanted to put some pigeon peas into this, you can. It's a really great addition with it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!